See now, binding energy, it is an minimum energy required to take a particles from earth surface to infinite distance, okay, is called binding energy. Means is a minimum amount of energy, means कम से कम जो एनर्जी चाहिए, मीन्स एनी पार्टिकल्स को एक प्लेस से दूसरा पोजीशन में क्या करना, प्रोजेक्ट करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड बाइंडिंग एनर्जी. एंड बाइंडिंग एनर्जी इज गिवन बाय द मॉडुलस ऑफ पोटेंशियल gravitational potential energy, and gravitational potential energy equal to how much, minus g capital M small m by r, which is equal to g. Therefore the binding energy is equal to capital G capital M small m by r radius is the energy for the binding equation for binding energy. Okay, the next topic we will see now, escape velocity. Okay, so escape velocity is the minimum velocity by which an object escape the what, earth gravity. Means not only earth, for any planet, means that different planets are having the different escape velocity value. Okay, तो मीन्स यहाँ पे जो क्या है, व्हाट इज एस्केप वेलोसिटी, जो मिनिमम जो वेलोसिटी जो चाहिए कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जो एस्केप करना है, ओके, कहाँ से बोलो, फ्रॉम द अर्थ ग्रेविटी. एंड escape energy, sometimes they will ask also what is escape. Okay, escape energy concept also means is the minimum energy which is required to project then what, object to escape the earth gravity. It's a minimum energy by which an object have to be project so that it escape the what, earth gravity. Okay, so earth gravity. So see now the escape velocity derivation. Now see what is the formula for the escape velocity. Okay, so now see escape velocity, since potential gravitational energy is equal to how much it is, g capital M small m by this r. And kinetic energy of an object of mass small m is given by half mv square. This is the ve, escape velocity square. Okay, so now see, according to the conservations of energy, okay, according to the conservations of energy is neither be created nor be destroyed, only change from one form to another. Means here we can show that the kinetic energy is equal to gravitational potential energy. Then kinetic energy is half mve square, which is equal to g capital M small m by r. And this small m will get cancelled. Then ve square is equal to twice capital G, okay, small m, okay, capital M by what is r. Then ve means escape velocity is equal to root over 2 capital G capital M by what is r. So this is also, it is also escape velocity formula. Or what we have to do, since ve, so ve equal root over 2 capital G capital M by r. So what we will do now, so what we will do, both sides will multiply with r, and here is also r, which is equal to 2 g m r m by r square is small g r. So here it is since small g is equal to capital G capital M by r square. Okay, this is the escape velocity formula, and which is equal to how much? If we put the value of g and r for the earth, then we will get nearly 11.2 kilometer per second. This is the escape velocity of earth. Now here escape velocity in terms of density of earth. Okay, for example, for the any planet, not only for the earth, for the any planet. Now see, escape velocity is equal to how much? Ve is equal to 2 capital G capital M by r, so root over, which is equal to 2 into capital G. And what is mass? Mass is equal to volume into density. Density is equal to mass by volume, then mass is equal to what? Volume into density. So volume of any planet into what? Density. Okay, root over by what is r. So which is equal to now 2 capital G by r. The volume of any planet of radius r will be what? The planet shape we will consider as what is sphere. It is sphere, no? Then 4 by 3 pi r cube into density is rho. Okay, by this one. Okay. Now this r and here will what it is? Square here. Then what we will get now? 2 4 are 8 by what it is? 3 pi capital G r square rho. This is in terms of the escape velocity, in terms of the density. Now see, directly proportional is there. Escape velocity and density is what? Directly proportional is there. Then if the density will be high, then what? Escape velocity will be high. And since we know that if the density will be high, then gravitational force will be what? High. Then the escape velocity will be high.